Did you know that there are over 20 million millionaires in the United States alone? That's right, more people than ever are achieving financial freedom. And while their paths may be different, they often share common habits that lead to wealth. In this video, we're diving deep into the minds of millionaires to uncover 5 lessons they've learned on their journey to financial success. These aren't your typical get-rich-quick schemes. These are fundamental principles that can transform your relationship with money and set you on the path to building real, lasting wealth. Before we dive into the secrets of millionaires, we need to address the elephant in the room, the misconceptions many of us have about wealth. These misconceptions can be deeply ingrained, often passed down through generations or perpetuated by societal norms and media portrayals. You see it all the time, people thinking that becoming a millionaire is about luck, inheritance, or some magic formula. They believe that wealth is something that happens to you, rather than something you actively create. This mindset can be incredibly limiting, and can prevent people from taking the necessary steps to achieve financial success. But the truth is far more attainable than that. Wealth creation is not reserved for the lucky few. It's a journey that anyone can embark on with the right knowledge and tools. It's about recognizing opportunities and being prepared to seize them when they arise. It's about persistence, resilience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It's about understanding that financial success starts with the right mindset. This means educating yourself about money management, setting clear and achievable goals, and maintaining a positive attitude, even when faced with setbacks. It's about visualizing your financial future and taking concrete steps to make that vision a reality. It's about shifting your perspective from scarcity to abundance, from thinking short-term to playing the long game. This shift in mindset can transform the way you approach your finances, helping you to make decisions that are aligned with your long-term goals. It's about being strategic, planning ahead, and understanding that every small step you take today can lead to significant gains in the future. It's about realizing that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and it's about making consistent, informed decisions over time. This means being patient and disciplined, understanding that true financial success doesn't happen overnight. It's about investing in yourself, your education, and your future, and recognizing that every effort you make is a step closer to your financial goals. Remember, the journey to wealth is a continuous process of growth and learning. Now let's talk about how millionaires invest their money. It's a topic that often intrigues many, as we all want to understand the secrets behind their financial success. But the truth is, their strategies are often more about discipline and long-term planning than about quick wins. You might be surprised to learn that it's not always about chasing the next hot stock tip. In fact, many successful investors avoid the noise of daily market fluctuations and sensational news headlines. They know that these can often lead to impulsive decisions that are detrimental to their financial health. Instead, they focus on building a diversified portfolio that aligns with their risk tolerance and long-term goals. Diversification is key because it helps spread risk across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like commodities or cryptocurrencies. They understand the power of compound interest and are patient with their investments, allowing their money to grow steadily over time. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world because of its ability to exponentially increase wealth if given enough time. They also prioritize educating themselves about different investment strategies and seek guidance from financial advisors when needed. Continuous learning and professional advice can provide valuable insights and help avoid common pitfalls. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick, it's about making your money work for you over the long haul. This means having a clear plan, staying disciplined, and being patient. The journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Setting clear financial goals is another crucial aspect. Millionaires often have well-defined objectives, whether it's saving for retirement, funding their children's education, or building a legacy. These goals help them stay focused and motivated. Regularly reviewing and adjusting their investment strategies is also important. The financial landscape is always changing, and staying informed allows them to make necessary adjustments to stay on track. Ultimately, the path to becoming a successful investor is about consistency, education, and a long-term perspective. By following these principles, anyone can work towards achieving their financial goals and building lasting wealth. Chapter 3. The Power of Networking. Here's a secret that often gets overlooked. Millionaires understand the power of relationships. They know that surrounding themselves with like-minded individuals can open doors to new opportunities, provide valuable insights, and offer support during challenging times. Networking isn't just about attending fancy events. It's about building genuine connections with people who share your ambitions and can help you grow. Attend industry conferences, join professional organizations, or simply reach out to people you admire and ask for advice. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn and achieve by expanding your network. Chapter 4: Consistent Learning and Adaptation. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and millionaires are masters of adaptation. They understand that to stay ahead of the curve, they need to be lifelong learners. They devour books, articles, and podcasts on finance, business, and personal development. They attend seminars and workshops to gain new skills and perspectives. They're not afraid to challenge their assumptions and embrace new technologies that can enhance their financial strategies. Chapter 5: The Importance of Persistence. Now for the most valuable secret of all persistence. Persistence is the key that unlocks the door to success. It is the driving force that keeps you moving forward, even when the path is unclear and the obstacles seem insurmountable. Every millionaire will tell you that the road to financial success is paved with challenges and setbacks. These challenges are not just minor inconveniences, they can be significant hurdles that test your resolve and determination. The journey to success is rarely smooth, and it is during these tough times that your persistence is truly tested. There will be times when you doubt yourself, when you want to give up, when the weight of your goals feels too heavy to bear. These moments of doubt are natural and happen to everyone, even the most successful individuals. It's important to recognize that these feelings are temporary and can be overcome with the right mindset. When you feel like you're not making progress, progress can often be slow and incremental, and it may not always be visible. However, every small step forward is a step closer to your goal. It's crucial to celebrate these small victories and use them as motivation to keep pushing forward. But it's during these moments that persistence becomes paramount. Persistence is what separates those who succeed from those who give up. It's about having the tenacity to keep going, even when the odds are stacked against you. It's about maintaining your focus and staying committed to your goals, no matter how difficult the journey may be. It's about getting back up after every fall, no matter how many times you stumble. Each fall is an opportunity to learn and grow, to become stronger and more resilient. The ability to pick yourself up and keep moving forward is a testament to your strength and determination. Learning from your mistakes and never losing sight of your goals. Mistakes are an inevitable part of the journey, but they are also valuable learning experiences. By analyzing your mistakes and refining your strategies, you can improve and increase your chances of success. It's important to stay focused on your goals and keep them in sight, even when the path is difficult. Remember, success is not a straight line. It is a journey filled with twists and turns. The path to success is often winding and unpredictable, but each twist and turn brings new opportunities and challenges. Embrace the journey and be prepared for the unexpected. It's a journey filled with twists and turns. These twists and turns are what make the journey unique and rewarding. They provide opportunities for growth and self-discovery, and they help you build the resilience needed to achieve your goals. But with unwavering persistence, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your financial dreams. Persistence is the key to unlocking your full potential and reaching your goals. No matter how difficult the journey may be, with determination and perseverance, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, keep pushing forward, stay focused on your goals, and never give up. Your persistence will lead you to success. So there you have it. 5 powerful lessons from millionaires that can transform your financial life. Remember to challenge your financial misconceptions, invest strategically, harness the power of networking, embrace lifelong learning, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these secrets resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of financial success, be sure to check out my other videos where I share even more tips and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals.